Hey guys, it's Brian back at you with a quick video to help you guys unlock a rewarding career and to create a life you're proud of. And today I want to do something very different. It is a Monday, so we're going to kick off the week with resume reviews that are from yours truly and at no cost to you guys. I don't know how long we're going to do this for, and I will do my best to get to as many resumes as possible, but we'll see how it goes. I just really want to help a lot of you guys because I know times are tough. There are some people that are going through layoffs, restructuring, the whole gamut of challenges. And I thought, you know what, this would be a really easy way to help you guys out. Go to my website, 101mentoring.com/resume reviews. Fill out the fields there, ask some questions just to understand what your guys' needs are, etc., what you guys are looking for. And then as a result, we're going to reach out to you, get your resume, and you're going to get a review from me. Again, I don't know how many resumes I'm going to get through to, but I'm going to do my absolute best. So guys, free resumes from yours truly. Let's see what we do. Take advantage of this. I want to help you guys out. Love to hear from you. Until next time, cheers.